I was transferred right after the school year. Now, in typical years, we would have done that transfer process prior to the end of the school year in an ideal setting. And I would have had an opportunity to go over to my new school. And the one who was coming to replace me, she would have had an opportunity to come to my previous school. But because it happened after the school year, I really felt a sense of urgency to get on the campus as soon as possible. So one of the
Sure.
first things that we did was I connected with my former principal, the former principal who was at the school, and he connected me with the PTA president. And so we started with the PTA president and at the same time, the leadership team. So those were really the two groups of people that I started meeting first, my assistant principal and the leadership team and the PTA president. And we talked about what were some activities that we could do over the summertime to introduce myself to families, since some families were on vacation and some staff members were not available. So what we started doing was hosting a series of summer events for the community and for the staff. So we did some playground blacktop pops with popsicles with the principal. That was number one. We started with those events. The school really hadn't done those before, but it was very simple to do. It just was some little freezy pops, and we told the community, meet us on the blacktop to play games and meet the principal. So that was a wonderful opportunity. We offered two of those. And at the same time, I also connected with our staff and sending kind of an introductory email. And I said, if you want to come and meet with me, like, please, let's set up a time. So all summer, I've been meeting with individuals to hear about our school. And I would ask them, what's something that you love about Waterloo? What makes Waterloo special? And what are some things that we can do to even enhance Waterloo even more?